Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. This simple yet bold midnight pasta is a late night lifesaver. With juice spaghetti, garlic, basil and chili, and good olive oil, you will get a dish that's aromatic, spicy and deeply satisfying. Minimal ingredients, maximal flavor. Instruction: bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Cook spaghetti 3 to 4 minutes less than part of instruction. In a large skillet, heat olive oil and add chopped garlic. Cook until golden. Add the fresh basil and chili in a small ladle of hot pasta water to the skillet, stirring to infuse flavors. Transfer drained pasta to the skillet. Toss over medium heat until pasta is glossy and flavors combine. Plate garnish with fresh basil if you desire, and serve warm.